Hey guys, I turned the flowers and leaves that I made in my past two videos into a wall hanging. First I cut a dowel at 14 inches. Then sanded the ends. I didn't have much of this macrame cord left, so this turned out to be a short wall hanging. I cut 24 cords at 20 inches. Align the ends of a cord to find the center. Place it over the dowel and bring the ends through the loop created. Pull them tight, creating a lark's head knot. I did this for all 24 cords. Next, attach a leaf to a flower. String one of the cords from the flower through the back of the leaf using a tapestry needle. I did this with 3 of its cords and pulled them tight. I took one of the cords from the leaf and made a double half-hitch knot with one of the 3 cords that were used. I gathered the cords that I used and used that as my holding cord for the next double half-hitch knot. Continue this with the other 2 cords used. I repeated this with the other flower. For the center flower, I used 2 cords to string the back center of 2 petals. Next, I grouped 4 lark's head knots on the dowel. Place the left cord over the dowel and bring it over to the front. Drape it across the cord and place it under the dowel. Then bring it over to the front again and place it under the horizontal cord. Do this to the other side. String the same cords through the same spots used to connect the flower. I repeated this with the other 2 flowers, but made them higher. Then I secured them by making double half-hitch knots where all the flowers connect. I cut a 36-inch cord to hang it. I left 10 inches at the end of the cord before knotting it. Starting under the dowel, I made a double half-hitch knot. I repeated this with the other end. I strung the ends of the cord through the back of the flowers to secure it. Next, trim the cords. I combed out a little at the ends, and here's how it turned out.